Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best Kraken futures trade for beginners. So let's quickly dive into it. If you're new to Kraken futures, the safest way to start is staking with low volatility, high liquidity, and pairs like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This market moves cleaner, have a tighter spread, and are easier to manage than smaller altcoin futures. Use 1 to 2 leverage max so price swing don't wipe out your account, and focus on simple setup like trend following or breakthrough trade instead of chasing risk scalp. And also keep your position small and always set up stop loss before you enter the trade. Beginner loss the most by forgetting risk management. Start with longer time frame like 1 hour or 4-hour chart so noise don't shake you out. And also avoid holding position during major economic news unless you fully understand the volatility. Over time, track your wins and losses to refine what works for you. And if this helped, hit the like, subscribe for more quick trading tips, and comment which crypto platform you want break down next. And that's it.